Alright, so I'm heading back over to Jason's shop. He got my transmission. I've been all over the place today. I've been back and forth to work and trying to get stuff done. So he actually started on the transmission and he took the pan off of it this morning. He said the problem that I'm having that the truck is driving good and everything, but it's just not shifting. So he said that it's in like limp mode, and he actually checked to make sure I was getting power to my transmission, which the wires in there are, he told me I am getting power and everything. So as far as that, I got everything hooked up pretty good as far as which we know. So now he already said we're going to have to rebuild that transmission. So hopefully you guys can hear me. Like I said, I'm in the 47 Bullseye. She likes to get up and go, man. I hold back a lot. I don't like burning wheel tires and stuff. I pay too much money on these wheels to be burning them out and stuff, man. So I do like to air out a little bit. But these country roads back here is kind of dangerous also, man. You can't see what's going around the curve just like that. Just happened right there. As soon as you turn the curve and stuff, there's cars right at you. So anyway, I know we're gonna have to tear this transmission apart. There you go. See this? You can't see, you got blind spots right there. Anyway, I'm almost out of the shop and stuff, and I'll turn you guys back on once I get to the shop. So hopefully we'll be tearing it apart, and I'll show you guys how a 4L60E transmission looks on the inside. This is like my second one that I've had to rebuild like this. So, all right, we just got up here in the shop. I think they ain't messing around. Show you here. I got the trainey out.
Code for this solenoid, the temperature. This is a temperature sensor right there, but it's throwing a code for this solenoid, the temperature sensor, the PPM solenoid, which is a power management, which is like for downshift stuff.
Yeah.
And then this right here is your lock-up torque converter solenoid. It's throwing a code for all that.
I mean, but there's no way of testing that stuff once it's out like this.
I done checked it. It's showing good, but there's no way of testing its functionality.
Right. Yes, I mean.
You'd have to have a bench for that.
Right.
Or,
okay.
Some kind of a simulator.
Remember Mount Trashmore?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I remember when Mount Trashmore used to be the dump.
Yeah, the dump. Yeah. Yep. A daggone landfill.
Yeah.
And that's where everybody go and hang out at the park and stuff now.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
See, there's a screen that goes into the torque converter to the lockup.
Yeah.
It's clean, so that means your torque converter's clean. So we're messing with that torque converter. That's going to save you even more money. I might have to back up on you.
Yeah, I'm glad I was about to go and get one today.
Oh, a torque converter?
I mean, I was thinking about it. What is that there?
This is a, let me think about this a minute. It's a accumulator. It's a reverse accumulator.
Come here, boss, when you get a chance.
See, I'll redo all these. They'll all be metal when I put them back.
No, really?
Yeah, they'll be aluminum.
What is that there?
It's accumulator piston.
I mean, what is it made out of?
It's plastic. See? thing might already have a shift kit in it. I'm thinking. I think it does.
How long you been working on like transmissions and stuff like that?
20 years.
Golly.
Really started heavy on them within the last 10 years.
That's what I like, man. I like a challenge. You know, somebody tell me I can't do something.
That's what he did.
Yeah, that's how I got started. You know, like, with body work and stuff.
Yeah.
And after one of my buddies told me that he'll charge me an ungodly amount of money to restore my little blue truck.
Right.
They look nasty, they don't.
Yeah. It's got metal all up in it. See it there? All right, see right here? See how that ball's stuck in there?
Yeah.
That clutch pack's gonna be burnt out because that ball's stuck in that. So that right there is a huge problem.
Hey, they stuck in all of them.
I think they're just sitting in there. That one right there is the one that always gives the problem.
But most of that stuff doesn't have anything to do with electrical, though, right?
No, it just has to do with the metal that's in it.
Yeah.
Well, you know, she knows that's what I do with it too.
Yeah.
Because I gotta put, I ain't gonna be able to beat it.
Yeah. Well, I'd like to have a half myself, so if you run into one where we can get it reasonable, I'll go half with you on one. As long as they don't try to jack us on it.
I think there were quarters, they had them available up in Russell County.
Oh, really?
Over by Castlewood.
Yeah.
I think they're $3.50 a pound.
Yeah, just let me know, because like I say, I was getting ready to find me something.
Hey, John.
Yeah, I'm afraid you're right. Yeah. All right, Mr. Bill, I'll see you. See you, buddy.
And what were you talking about, the ground, you said?
Oh, I said when I pull this drum out, you'll see where it's ground up.
And you had to do one, a cherry pick with that one there, I bet.
Yeah, that's a heavy one. I didn't build it. I had sales build it.
Where'd your hair go into?
It's one of them big bucket trucks inside.
Easier coming apart than
Yeah,
this.
well, I mean, I check everything, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I take my time. Take the O-ring off here. O-ring, got it. Release it.
It works pretty good. Like I said, I couldn't tell when I put it in drive, you know, for how some transmissions like kick, you know, it shifts.
Right.
I could never really feel it when it shifted.
It
And
was in third gear a little bit. See the color differences in the clutches?
yeah.
See the Borg Warners.
Welcome back. Today should be a pretty good day today. I'm gonna go and pick up truck that had my transmission in it. Transmission is all put back together, good to go. I'm gonna go and get a good test drive in, make sure everything is running smooth and properly, and that'll be one step that closer to being finished with this truck. But come along this evening and let's go ahead and button up this series as far as transmission, and we'll get on down the road to the next one. So I'll turn you guys back on probably when I'm either test driving it or bringing it home. See you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're about to take old Blue Ash out here and give it for a test drive. I can already tell she's already running good, man. She was in limp mode, and before the transmission was messed up, but that transmission was pretty much shot. So, and whenever I was like taking off, I couldn't even I mean, it was really rough as far as taking. I could tell it was in third gear, man. But now I just barely tap her, and wow, look, man. Oh wow, man, this is all right here, man. I tell you, this is all right. So I'm just gonna turn around right here in this little neighborhood. But man, I am so excited. Y'all just do not know. Y'all do not know, man. I tell you, I was kind of like depressed, you know, thinking about the old truck not being able to put on the road. Man, yeah, she changes good, man. I had to put a shift kit in there. Wow, this thing, I mean, she drives like a brand new, like a SUV today, you know. My suspension on here, I use that S10 suspension, and I did have to build me up some frames, which is not frame, but some mounts for the cab to sit on. But wow, man, I couldn't be more excited. So I'm pulling back up in here to his shop, so I'll probably turn you guys on back later. But actually, I probably won't, because this is going to be the end of this series, building the trans. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Come along, and don't forget to subscribe, share with others, and I'll get with you guys later.